Welcome to my fruit stand, folks. Today's special is the one and only, the pear. These little guys might not get as much attention as their more popular fruit friends, but they pack a serious punch when it comes to health benefits and fun facts. So let's dive in. First off, pears are loaded with fiber. And we all know what that means. They're great for keeping your bathroom trips regular. But did you know that fiber can also help you feel fuller for longer? So if you're trying to cut back on snacking, grab a pear and munch away. But it's not just the fiber that makes pears so great. They're also low in calories and high in antioxidants, which can help prevent cancer and other diseases. So next time you're craving a sweet treat, skip the cookies, and grab a juicy pear instead. Now, on to the fun facts. Did you know that pears are one of the few fruits that actually ripen better off the tree? That's right, if you leave a pear on the tree too long, it'll turn mushy and mealy. But if you pluck it at just the right time, and let it sit on your counter for a few days, it'll ripen up perfectly. And, speaking of perfect pears, did you know that there are over 3,000 varieties of pears grown around the world? That's right! Pears come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. From the crisp and crunchy Asian pear, to the juicy and flavorful Bartlett pear, there's a pear for every palate. But wait, there's more. Pears are also steeped in history and mythology. In Greek mythology, pears were believed to be a symbol of eternal love and immortality. And in the 18th century, pears were so highly prized that they were often used as currency in Europe. In conclusion, pears are not only delicious and nutritious, but they're also full of fun facts and history. So next time you're in the mood for a snack, skip the boring old apple, and give a pear a try. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video.